how, yeah, how much you completed? Can you show me? Hello. Uh, can you show me how much it has been completed? You didn't do that task with that system, with your current system. Okay. Okay. Is there any difficulty in task? You can ask me. Is there any? Okay. In uploading, or how we just go to the next page using anchor tag. In anchor tag, I can repeat all the things. You didn't even study the task. What you have to do. Okay. Actually, if whatever the file I just sent you, I have sent you. If you run that file, then you will get error because you don't have the same database, the user table and users table, and the database name. That's why that folder will not run on the browser. You have to check code manually. Okay, means if you run your task folder, whatever I have sent in the mail, if you run that folder, then it will give you error. It will not run uh, perfectly because you don't have same environment, means same database, same table name, same column names. Okay. And one more thing, okay, today we will just discuss about how we export database and the import database, about the database. Okay, exporting and the importing. Okay, Rakhi. Okay, let's start. If you just created one website, for that website you have created one database. You need a database for every website or not? For every dynamic website, you need a database. So whenever you created your website in localhost, means in your local system, you have to create your database also in php admin localhost. Okay. Now our requirement is, now we want to just live our website, we want to just put our website on the server. So we will just put our folder, whatever be the folder of our website, we will put on the specific location on the server. Then it will run, yes it will run, but we have to put the database also. We have to put database or not in the server, Raki? Yeah. Yeah. So if you don't put the database, then you will get the error. Same error you will get if you run the task folder, which I have sent you in the zip format. Okay. Now today we will discuss how we export. Export means we will just fetch out our whole database from local and get one file of our database. Get one file of our database that call exporting database. And importing means we just import any database into our local or the server PHP MySQL environment. Importing means just importing database from any file, and exporting means exporting database to any file. You get the requirement, Raki? Now let's see how we do that. How we do that. Here is our database study. The name of our database is study. Okay, this study database, it has three tables: TBL1, TBL2, and the user. Okay, and every table have the different data, different number of columns, and it could be any data, any number of column. For in our every table. Okay, now our requirement is we just like our website, same website. Okay, now we want this database also in the server. So we have to just export our database. How? This export tab, nothing else. You have to click on this tab. You will show one another window and go to bottom and just save as file and none. Okay, save as file and none. It is selected by default. Just click on go. Then your browser just indicate that you have saved or download one file, user.sql. Oh, sorry. Why we get the user.sql? Because we selected one table. This is the particular table or not we selected. This is the particular table we selected. That's why we get the user.sql. Okay. Now, so it means particular table also can be exported, but our requirement is we want to just export whole database. How we do that? Just click on the database first. Now you will get the list of the table. You have 3 tables. Okay. Now click on export. Just click on the export. You will get same window. By default it is selected as we required. Save as file and none. Just click on go. Then it will be saved a study database. Okay, this one appearing because we already imported our database. It means I already exported database. That's why this one is coming. Okay, now let's see in the downloads. Twice. One second, it's taking some time. We have saved our database here, or you can go directly from the browser also. Click show in folder. It will open. Yeah, we have in downloads study one. It should come study. Okay, whatever be the name, it will come same name dot sql whenever you just exported your database. Okay, Rakhi. Now you can just move your file also. I just copied my file and moving that file into desktop. Nothing, nowhere else. Paste. I just pasted here. Okay. Now we have our database in one file. This file contains 3 tables, structure of tables, and the data of the tables, particular tables, whatever be the data. This file contain all the data. Okay. Now this is the exporting. You can just send this file to anyone or send this file through email also if it is under 25 MB. Okay, now this is our exporting. Let me show you what the file has. File just have the SQL commands with the data, nothing else. Open with Sublime. Again, this is our file. I'm just showing you the file. This is exporting. You want to see this exporting again. Lucky, I didn't get you. Yeah, okay. You have database list. First thing, whenever you just come on the local host php my admin, you will get this screen. Okay, you have the list of databases. Here is the list of databases. Okay, now just click on the particular database. Do you want to export? Export means we are just capturing all whole data of that database into one file. Okay, so we can use that data in our future, or if you want to just upload your database to the server, you have to export. just, I just click on the study database. It has three tables. Yeah, it is coming tables, three tables information. Now just directly go to export tab. There is a tab, export tab. Once more, one second. Here, one export tab, but you have to select your particular database, not particular table. If you select particular table, then that table only exported. Okay, Raki? I just selected database and clicked on export tab. Just click export tab. I will get just one screen. You have to just click on the go. You have to select. It is by default automatic selected, save as file and none. You have to just click on go. Then one file will be downloaded automatically. Now same name, that's why it is coming 2. Okay. Okay, now we just exported our database or not. Now if we just lost our database from here, means now I just want to show the import, how we import the database. Okay, now I'm deleting this database. For that, the study database, I just want to delete and drop. Just click on the drop, then it will delete the database. Okay, now we don't have study database. We don't have study database. If I run my file, it is running right now, but if I refresh, then it will give error because we don't have our database. So it will give fetch array. This function couldn't find the required variable, means this function couldn't, we cannot able to fetch the data because we don't have database even. Okay, now how we import. Now my requirement is, I just want to import the database. Which database? Study database. I have one file of study database, study.sql. I just want to import. So whatever be the file, you can give any other name also, but you have to first create one database file. Then only you can import the database. Okay, blank database. You have to create first a blank database of the same name, or you can take any other name also. I'm taking same name study. I'm just creating a blank database, not creating a tables and all the data. Just created blank database study with zero tables. Okay, I just created a database with zero tables, nothing else. Directly I'm going to import tab. Just beside export, there is import tab. One second. What I have done, I just created one database and directly going to import tab. Okay, whenever I just click on import tab, you will get this screen. In MySQL, choose file. Simple choose file. If you want to choose file, just click on that file, choose file option, choose file button. Where is your database? Yeah, I just save in desktop also. Go to desktop. Yeah, the desktop. No desktop shortcut. Okay, go to downloads. Downloads also have our database file. Is our file. Search study. Okay, I have just imported 3 times. That's why it is coming 3 times. You can choose any file. Okay, you can choose any file. I'm just choosing the latest. Just choose the latest one and directly click on Go, nothing else. Just click on go. Then you will get all the data. The previous tables, TBL1, TBL2, TBL3, TBL1, TBL2 and users and data of that particular table. So this is exporting and the importing. Okay, Rakhi. Now, if you run this, you will get no error, perfectly running our program because we have the database, it's fetching data, all everything. Now, so you have to complete, Rakhi, you have to complete the task. If you didn't complete the task, you will get you didn't get the all the thing on insert, update, delete, and select. This is the simple. You have to first create this page. Just create register.php and insert these data into the table. Nothing else. I already told you how we insert the upload, how we upload the image. Okay, we just save the image name into database and the image into one folder. Okay, and just whenever we uploaded successfully, whenever register successfully, we just go we just redirected using header location to display.php. In the display.php we fetch all the data of that particular table. I'm fetching data from user. Okay, I didn't use the validations, that's why it is blank. Also it's submitting, you can delete it. And edit is, this is logical one, main logical page you can say, because whenever you going to edit, then it is coming up different information, not a same information. The page is same page, update.php, page name not changing but information changing. Update.php, you have to create this. Okay, I already told you we use the anchor tag. Within this anchor tag, after the question mark id equals to 13, how we get the 13? We just echo that particular variable, whatever we fetched from the table, and it has the id. Okay. So this is edit. Within the edit, if just go to, yeah, Raki. Oh, okay. Within this edit, you can change the name or you can change the image also. If you want to change image, you can change image also, and click on, whenever you click on update, it is changed. Okay, and if you want to delete, then just click on delete. This is the JavaScript. You will learn JavaScript means this is just a function. If you don't call the JavaScript, then it will automatic, whenever you click, it is deleted, not asking anything, like this. Okay, you can see the code. Okay, let's see the JavaScript. We didn't discuss, we just overview the JavaScript, what is the JavaScript. And document dot get element by id also not working on that day. Here is display. Okay, on the display, whenever you click on the delete button, we are getting one pop-up, or you can say a confirm box or not. Whenever you are clicking on this delete, you are getting one confirmation box. One confirmation box, if you click okay, then it will be deleted. If you click cancel, then nothing will going to happen, means there is no deletion operation will be performed. Okay, Raki. Now let's see how we do that. First thing is I already told you, we just write the JavaScript code within script tag. Do you remember, Raki? Within the script tag, yeah, when whatever with the JavaScript code, we will write within the script tag. Within the script tag, PHP we cannot use PHP and HTML also. Within the script tag you can use only JavaScript. Yeah, with the help of JavaScript we will just learn in our advanced topic of JavaScript how we use the PHP code and the HTML. But in the simple manner you cannot use in the simple way. If you want to write directly any PHP code here, you cannot. You are not. That will just cause a error. Okay. And one more thing, JavaScript doesn't show it doesn't show directly error. You have to just find out the error. It is just stop the working. If you just do any error, then it just stop the working. Okay. Now let's see how we do that confirmation box. Okay. I already told you every HTML tag have the properties and events. These are the properties href and image the src. If you using any text box, the name is the property. But events on click, on blur, we already discussed about the event, difference between the events and the properties. This is the property of anchor tag, means on click. Whenever we click on this particular anchor tag, this is the anchor tag. We discuss about the anchor tag also, means this is our anchor tag. We are getting this delete information with the link using anchor tag. So this is our anchor tag. Within the anchor tag, href is a property. Within the href, we will just write a particular file name where we want to redirect. Okay, this is, we already discussed about this also. Question mark, question, we need the particular id also. That's why we using the id equals to, and this is the PHP code, the dynamic id. Okay, now focus on click. Whenever we click, then this event will fire. What we have done within this on click, we just call a function, a simple user defined function, but JavaScript function. We have to just call the JavaScript function. Okay, so this is the del JavaScript function, and we use the return, means it will return something. We don't know if it is written true, then it will execute further, otherwise it will stop there. On click, just remember this, we called a JavaScript function. Okay, Raki? Now if we call a function, we have to define our function or not? Yes, we have to define our function also. So we just define the function of JavaScript, the similar code, almost similar code in the function context, the JavaScript and the PHP. Sorry. And the del, this is the user defined name. If you change the name, you can change there also. Delete, delete, it will work same. There is no difference. Okay, now what we have done, a confirm, we got, one second, I already show you how we got alert box using alert. We got alert or no alert box using this function, alert function. This is the predefined function of JavaScript, the inbuilt function. Okay, if you just write anything within the alert, then it will just show on the browser. Whenever you click on the delete button, then it will call our function. Function called, function will execute. Within the function we first use alert, then we will see a alert box. There is no cancel or OK button, only OK button, because this is the alert box. Now we will get a one confirmation box. Yeah, we have done alert. So same as alert, there is one confirm box also. This alert will just return nothing, but confirm box return true or false. Means if you click, if you click, if you click cancel, then it will return false. If you click OK, then it will return true. Let me show you. one alert box come. Okay, then if you click on the cancel in this confirmation box, then it will return this function means confirm function of JavaScript will return false. If you click OK, then it will return true. What we have done in code, let's see. A confirm box, this task, it will show on the browser. Whatever you will write here within the single quotes, it will be on the browser. And what we are doing, it will return true or false. This function, this is one function, it will return either true or false. We are just getting that true or false within one JavaScript variable, where we just declare JavaScript variable using var keyword. Okay, we are getting in this where the true, either true or false. If we click on the cancel, then we will get false. Otherwise, if we click on the OK, then we will get the true. What we are doing within the if condition, we directly just passing the. You can also check equals to true. Oh, just true. We directly passing because it is just showing true or not. If it is true, then if condition is true, then this code will execute or not. If d just assign, if we assign into d true, then if condition is true, this condition will execute, else part will not going to execute. So we are return as, if we just write the return statement, means we are returning from the function to where it has called, means we get this true into this return. And if we get the true, then our further process will be execute. Otherwise, if we get the false, then our process will be terminated, means there is no deletion, means our form will not be submitted, then the code within the our form is not submitted. It means we are not going to redirect it anywhere if we get false. So this is the simple JavaScript. Try to implement this also. If you get any problem, we will discuss more about the JavaScript in the validation also. Okay? Okay, Raki? So this is our simple task. You have to complete the task till tomorrow. Please. Okay? Try to implement whatever you have done. Just show me. Just first create this register page. First try to create this register page. Redirect whenever you register successfully. Redirect to our display.php. Then create this display.php, means code this for this display.php. After coding this, just create the update.php, nothing else. And in the end, just create the delete.php. Okay? Okay, now I will just send you the database also. Okay? Okay. Try to implement by yourself. Take new column. Don't just copy paste. I will send you database. Then you will get the flow also. Okay? Okay, Raki? Okay. Okay, now we are just stopping our session here.